What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare hacks, lifestyle, Kojic acid soap, how to grow longer hair, specifically 4C hair, and just how to glow the heck up in general, all right? Let's get into it. Now, this is literally just going to be a little quick video to show you all what it is that I do. I have already made some oil, but I said, you know what? Let me show the squad what it is and what they can do to have the booty on plump as well. What you mean? Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to add, again, vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil. Okay. So you just go ahead and a good amount. Vitamin E oil is good for elasticity of the skin. It is good for getting rid of dark marks and whatnot as well in dark areas. It is good as a base in a lot of skincare products just to even out the skin tone. And yes, so we've gone in with that. And I believe this one actually has a little bit of coconut oil in it, soybean oil, glycerin as well. So we've done that. Then I've talked about it before. Definitely check out the playlist. We're going to add a little bit of fenugreek, okay? Fenugreek. And this right here is the good stuff. Fenugreek oil. I honestly don't measure per se because I'm just used to doing this all the time. But you can definitely take about I'd say a tablespoon of each if you want, or even less. You can even do a teaspoon of each. You're literally just making it to put particularly on the buttocks. I don't know why it sounds funny when I always say that, but on the buttocks, why is it such a funny word? You can put it particularly right there, but honestly, it's good for all over the body as well. Great for moisturizing the skin, firming the skin, toning the skin, and giving an overall youthful glow. And then we're going to add, ooh, this stuff smells amazing. Orange essential oil. Orange essential oil. A little bit goes a long way. I don't like to waste this stuff, which is why I'm going in with my dropper. What you mean? Stop. Bam. And you mix this all together, okay? This is a good amount here. This actually is more than enough. This is great for the body. You can then pour it into a little jar if you have one, a little, a little bottle, and keep this. Store it at room temperature, and you can just apply it directly to the bouquet or to your body, to your skin. Use it twice per day, in the morning after you take a shower, in the evening after you take a shower. Great to add to your moisturizer, your creams, what have you, your lotion, or to apply directly all over the body as an oil just for rejuvenating the skin and having your booty on plump. What you mean? And that's really it, y'all. And I'm going to be coming back with more of these because they have been requested, and I know I haven't done these in quite a while. Just more DIY things that you can do naturally to kind of plump the skin. And we'll be doing it for the face as well. Just natural ways to kind of plump the face, plump the skin, have an overall glow, be out here. You know what I mean? That is the way to go. Of course, tap in. Yes, I do have something called the Maca Big Booty Butter. I do still have it, y'all. So if you are interested in that, it is also available via modestylavishstore.com. I will be leaving the link in the description. But if you're just wanting something that you want to do yourself, that's going to give you a little something and you want to see, wait a minute. See, the thing about orange essential oil is that it helps with blood circulation. And because of that increased blood flow, I feel that that is part of the reason that it helps with the perkiness, helping the perk, if you will. So definitely tap in, and it just smells super, super good. And that is why, yes, I use it in a lot of skincare products and ingredients and in my skincare routines, my regimen period, because it smells good. It helps get that blood going, and it's litty. If you are not already a part of the squad, I ask that you please do join. What you mean? Yanni squad, let's go. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. And I mean, again, this is not limited to the buttocks. That's just the point of the video. But any area that you are trying to kind of just plump and have just sitting upright, you know, then you can apply this there as well. Like I said, all over the body. Even with this, be sure to patch test, because again, essential oils are genuinely good for the skin, but it's best when you mix them oftentimes with other oils. And just to make sure that you do not have any skin sensitivity or whatnot, I always say patch test, no matter whatever it is. Inside your inner arm, or in your inner arm, ankle, behind the ear, any place like that. And if you don't experience any irritation or whatnot, then you can go ahead and proceed to use it on the areas of concern, okay? But yes, this is great for the booty. I thank you for tuning in. Again, please like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends. Tap in to yanniceecee. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla. Peace.